Pjanic, the real star of this Bosnia and Herzegovina side, and that's a terrific ball forward, taken down well by Ivasevic. Less than 4 minutes played. And Bosnia and Herzegovina have the opening goal. Vidad Ivasevic with it. Terrific lofted pass forward from Miralem Pjanic. And look at the way that it's controlled here by the striker. And able to steer it in. Did he get a touch off the defender? No, through the legs of the defender. Past goalkeeper Dalan Ibrahim. And Bosnia and Herzegovina take an early lead. Viska. Bounds away off Cipollina. Viska gets it back from Pjanic. Viska to make it 2 and headed in by Ivasevic. Gibraltar are claiming offside. Flag stays down. Ivasevic with his second goal of the match. And Bosnia and Herzegovina's second goal. He scored early in this first half, and now he has scored late in this first half. Gibraltar felt there was an offside decision to be made in their favour, though. Let's have another look. Assistant on the far side, right up in line, kept his flag down. Viska unselfishly finding his teammate in the middle. Zekanovic. Pavlovic. Oh, it was missed completely and turned in by Bih Vs. Defensive error at the back. And Vs takes full advantage. Joseph Cipollina neglecting to clear the ball away. To the number 6 at the bottom of your picture. Just waiting for the opportunity, should it come his way. Vrsjevic has surely put this match beyond Gibraltar. Bosnia and Herzegovina 3, Gibraltar 0. Works it wide to Bisacic. Can he be kept in by Vrsjevic? Can. And turned in for goal number 4, Edin Viska. Well, having got an early goal, Bosnia and Herzegovina struggled to add to it. But they've now scored just before half-time and twice shortly after the break. Vrsjevic able to pull it back, and Viska adjusting his body to knock it in first time. Ibrahim wasn't ever going to get anywhere near it. It is quickly Ivasevic, he's on a hat-trick, remember. Turns it into the middle and turned in for goal number 5. Ermin Bisacic with it. And with virtually the last kick of the match, Bosnia and Herzegovina get a 5th goal. The foul conceded by Joseph Cipollina. Bosnia and Herzegovina quick to take it. You can see there's lots of room here for Ivasevic. Got a bit lucky really with the clearance from Pusey. Fell nicely for Bisacic. And he gets his first goal of this Group H campaign. And there will be an extra spring in the step of the home supporters as they make their way home.